Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the show. All right, guys, the show must go on whether I'm on my scooter or whether I'm standing here talking about how awesome this product is or not awesome. We're going to be trying this out today. If you guys don't know what we're doing, we're reviewing the Calphalon, which is a great company for pots and pans and blenders and so many products. This is a reliable company, so I'm expecting it to be pretty worthy. It has turbo convection. Now, I don't know if you guys have heard me talk about air fryers, but I've always said you can use convection ovens as an air fryer. Just lift your food up on a rack. That's all you got to do. Well, this has turbo convection. It blows the heat faster, more evenly. It doesn't claim to be an air fryer, but you could use this as an air fryer. We're going to try that today. Because that's my one concern. If I'm getting this little oven for my countertop, so I don't have to turn this big oven on, then I need to know it can air fry. If not, I got to keep my air fryer. All right? So we're doing wings today. We're doing the Calphalon right here. It has 11 presets. Let me read them to you. It's got toast. It's got bagel. It's got bake. It's got roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat. That's huge. K-warm, I don't even know what that is. I haven't even read on that yet. Defrost and dehydrate. So you can make jerky in this if you guys want to do some dehydration. So anyway, let's get this out of the bag. But first, let's look at what we're going to be making. Because I got a recipe from my buddy Rohan, who was kind enough to send me an air fryer wing recipe. So I'm a little excited about this recipe, all right? So let's... I'm not sure if we're going to show you the wings first or we're going to show you the oven first. But we're showing you something first. Let's take a look. Okay, not only does this oven have 40% more even heat for even browning and consistently crispier food, but it comes with accessories. It comes with muffin pan, comes with a cookie sheet, comes with a pizza pan. This thing can go up to I think 400 degrees, possibly higher. I'll have to look that up. But you can do a pizza in this, a 12-inch pizza. So it gives you a pizza pan, so you can make pizza in this. It's pretty cool. So it's an oven, and it gives you a 5-piece accessory set. This is the perfect gift for people who have small apartments, dorm rooms, anywhere you can't get a nice full-size oven. This is even good, like during the summertime when you don't want to heat up the whole kitchen. This would be really nice. So this is a great little device, and it's claiming to be bigger than ever. So let's get it out of this box. Okay, we're going to use the cookie sheet to cook our wings, but we're putting this rack on top of the cookie sheet so the drippings can go through and the heat can go underneath the chicken and be more of an air fryer type. That's our main goal today, is to prove this can air fry also. We believe it can dehydrate. We believe it can make toast. We believe it can give you bagels. Hey, that's me. We believe it can do everything. And then we got the pizza pan. And there's the pizza pan. It does a 12-inch pizza. And then we got the muffin pan. And there's your muffins if you just want a 6-pack of muffins. All right, and then we have the cake pan. So it gives you all the things you need that fit perfectly in this oven. So keep those accessories nearby this oven. But basically, we're going to get working on our wings. We're going to slide it in. We're going to let it convection oven. We're going to blow that heat around. It's going to be delicious. This is the basic ingredients. Rohan sent me a recipe. Thank you, Rohan. This is kind of his recipe for kind of air fried chicken wings. But we are making a few alterations, and I'll explain what they are. We got honey right here. We got salt back here. Baking powder is supposed to make your wings crispy. We've got sriracha, basil leaf. Now he asked for green onion, but I got no green onion in the house. So I'm figuring it's a decoration, an herb of your choosing. You can do basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary, green onion, or parsley. Anything you want for a decoration on top of the wings. Also, Rohan said to put sesame seeds on this. I'll have his recipe down below, and I'll have my recipe down below. But basically, I don't do sesame seeds because they tend to get caught in places they shouldn't. So, in your digestive tract. So I got to be really careful. but I'll give you the original recipe. Barbecue sauce is the last one, and there's your beautiful wings. 3 tablespoons of baking powder. A few pinches of salt is in here too. We mix them together, and then we're going to toss them in baking powder. Okay, give them a good toss. Make sure they're all coated. Okay, then we're going to place the chicken pieces that are coated in baking powder and salt on this rack and put your oven on like convection heat for 400 degrees. Our next goal is to see how fast this thing really preheats. So let's get it into convection mode and see how fast it works. So we're timing it for you right now. It took literally 3.5 minutes to preheat it all the way to the 400 degrees. So now we're putting the chicken in. It's already been coated with the salt and baking powder, and we're cooking it for 15 minutes. And the timer, show them the light. Show them the light. That's pretty cool. Hold on, she's starting it right now. And look, it's got a light in there. A really bright light, not just a lame light. Okay, now's the time while the chicken's getting crispy to put together our sauce. So we're going to start with our barbecue. Then you're going to take your sriracha. Then you're going to take your honey. It's a little bit thick, you may need to scrape it out. Don't lose the honey. You're going to mix this up. Okay, so we kind of gently stirred it. So now you're going to microwave it for a minute and bring it back here, and we're going to get to stirring again. Okay, we just heated this for a minute. We're going to stir it up again. And I gotta tell you, you can use a whisk, you can use a fork, but make sure you go along the edges because that's where one flavor will hang out. You want it all blended. All right, my nose can smell the sweet. My nose is burning from the sriracha. It's all beautiful. Cool. All right, so we're done with one side of the chicken wings. Let's take a look at it. Now we're just going to flip them, and we're going to continue cooking. Okay, the recipe says take about half of your sauce mixture, and if you need to microwave it again, but make sure it's cooled off, because if you add too much sauce, these will get soggier than they are. All right, so we're going to grab our wings now, which have been, they're fully cooked. We're going to drop them in here, and then the goal is to toss them in about a cup and a half of the sauce we made. If you need more, be sure to eyeball it. You can get them all mixed in the mixture.
That's why I give you a spoon.
These look beautiful. They smell delicious. I'm way closer than I normally am, so I can smell it even better. All right, let's give one of these a try. I hope they're not too hot. I hope the sriracha is just perfect. Let's try this one right here. That mixture is really good. Try this recipe out. Mix sriracha, honey, and barbecue sauce, and enjoy your wings, all right? You guys take care. I love you, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.